camper right through here. Not that far. You don't want it to be on the wall.
Well, my tires lined up.
Well, you're over. You want to come? That'll work where you're at, but make sure you're coming for this point right here. You want to be coming for here.
Well, like that?
That's fine.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm not going to get run over.
You're supposed to be in front of me to spot me.
Get me. Get me?
I'm done talking to you. This it?
Yeah.
You motherfucker.
Like I said, you don't have to pin it wide open. You got to just be firm up it. No crawling. That's about as bad as it gets, as long as you don't hit that wall over there.
What'd you say?
That's as bad as it gets, as long as you don't hit that wall over there.
God damn.
Attempt number 2.
Like that?
Yeah,
Like a so?
I like it.
Come in a little closer before you hit it.
Back a little bit.
Huh?
A little bit this way. There you go. Okay.
Motherfucker God, here we go. That didn't work.
Yeah.
Keep
I had a little gas on it.
A little.
Like you told me.
At the end.
attempt number 3.
Don't hit it, just come up. Okay, back up now and go ahead and go there.
He's good.
Yep.
I'm not.
If you want to winch, you can winch too. It's no big deal.
I think he's got to turn a little more passenger.
That was a fucking wheelie!
Yeah, Tim!
Woo! I need a fucking beer. North New York, thank you. Oh, see. That was fucking bad at him. I think I got a chubby. I have a chubby.